In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust notifications on SofaScore app. So the first thing you have to do, you want to click on your profile icon in the top right, and then after that, click in the top right again, but this time on the settings cogwheel. Now when you click on that, you're going to be presented with the settings, and at the very top, it's going to say notifications, so just click on notifications, and this is where you can basically adjust all the notifications regarding SofaScore sounds and stuff like that. So here you can go ahead and first, of course, show the notifications or not. So I'm going to put this to on, and then also you could go ahead and use a custom notifications format to highlight important info. Now, of course, depending on which device you are using, I'm using a Xiaomi Android device here, it's going to be a bit different. However, you should be able to see most of these settings in here, and that is the universal way to actually access them. Now in here, you could also scroll down and you have different notification permissions here, and then at the bottom, you even have the option to adjust different notification sounds for a specific action. So for example, here we have the goal. I could go ahead and click on the goal over here, and I could go to, of course, customize anything I want over here, or I could go to sound, and I can just click on that sound, and then it will allow me to basically look for my pre-installed ringtones, and I could change it to whatever I want. Like, for example, let's say I want to make this crystal. I'm going to click apply next to it over here, and it's going to basically prompt me to select it. I'm going to press OK, and after this, as you can see here, I've successfully set my sound for this specific notification. So you can do this for every single thing in here. You can just keep scrolling, and for every single sport, you can pretty much adjust everything, which is amazing. Now, of course, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.